Are you struggling to set dynamic meta tags and open graph tags using jQuery? You're not alone. Many developers face this challenge, and today we're going to unravel the mystery together. I totally get it. It can be incredibly frustrating when your code doesn't work as expected, especially when you think you've done everything right. You're in the right place to find a solution. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user asked, "Why are my dynamic tags not working with jQuery?" They mentioned loading their script right after the page loads. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this. So, what could be going wrong? When scripts are loaded too early or too late, they might not find the elements they need to modify. Let's break this down step by step. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that will help you avoid these issues in the future. To begin solving this issue, the user should ensure that their jQuery script is executed after the document is fully loaded. This can be done by placing the script tag just before the closing body tag. Next, the user should confirm that the jQuery code for appending the meta tags is correctly formatted. It's important to ensure that the variables used for the content are defined before they are used. After that, the user should verify that the API call is made successfully and that the response data is being used to update the meta tags. This can be done by logging the response to the console. Finally, the user should ensure that the meta tags are being updated correctly after the API call. This means placing the code to append the meta tags inside the success callback of the API request. Fun fact: did you know that the Open Graph protocol was created by Facebook to help websites control how their content appears on social media? It's a game changer for sharing. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by another user highlights that many web crawlers, including Facebook's, do not execute JavaScript. Instead, they simply read the HTML as it is. To address this, they suggest using a server like NNX to detect the user agent. If the visitor is identified as Facebook's crawler, the server should serve a simple HTML page with the Open Graph tags. For all other users, the web application can be served as usual. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. An alternative approach to setting dynamic meta tags is to directly update them using jQuery. You can define your title and description as constants, then use jQuery to set the content of the meta tags. This method allows you to modify existing tags instead of appending new ones. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always test your meta tags using tools like Facebook's sharing debugger. This will help you see how your tags will appear when shared. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to set dynamic meta tags and open graph tags using jQuery successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.